how to use single take shot in camera on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on camera app. After click on camera app, click on more and you will see single take is here. Click on single take if you want to use single take. So you will see use single take from here. After finish, you will see after the process click on, you will see single take is here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can use single take shot in camera on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.